Oranges. I've got an abundance of oranges. We're gonna call this one the Orange Takeover. Orange Takeover episode. I'm gonna come at you with something nice and delicious. You do not want to miss this. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Caribbean Cuisine. Let's take some oranges and get to cooking. Continuing with my Orange Takeover episode, this time I'm gonna bring you a brunch favorite, a mimosa. Not any mimosa, this is my Caribbean-style Orange Mimosa. Something nice, something cool is gonna go really, really good with my orange rum pancakes. You can check right here to see what that looks like. Pair it up with that. Very, very simple. What we're gonna do here, I'm gonna take a shaker and we're gonna combine some orange juice. Orange Takeover, baby. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for all the good stuff that I'll be doing with you guys, for you guys here. And what I got here is some passion fruit juice. We're gonna follow this here with some passion fruit. Ooh, yes. Love that stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Coconut rum. Add a little kiss of coconut rum to this. Mix this up. Put a touch of honey into your mixer right here. Sweeten it up a little bit. Yes. Looking good, smelling good so far. And what I'm gonna do, I've got some champagne fruits, right? Love these fruits, love the narrowness of them. We gotta pour halfway. Like that, and like this. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So what, following that, a good mimosa goes with some champagne. I don't have any champagne, no Prosecco, but that's fine. I've got some bubbly, sparkling soda. This here for non-alcoholic, you can use champagne. But I'm gonna give it this. Oh yes. Beautiful, look how beautiful this is coming out here. And then, you're gonna take some orange slices just to garnish. Pour it in, put it inside here like that. Beautiful. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh my goodness. My Caribbean-style mimosa. Give this a little taste. Yeah. One more taste. Caribbean brunch at its finest. You gotta give this one a shot. Guys, you're gonna give this one a shot. If you like this one, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, in the comment section, put here, this one is a winner. Put winner if you're gonna give this here a shot, if you like this recipe I just shared with you guys. All of the ingredients is in the description below. Also, the recipe will be in a digital form. You do not want to miss this. Until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.